Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting fast. Check the gas cap first because a loose or cracked cap triggers many service engines soon lights. Once done, plug an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner into the port under the dash and retrieve trouble codes. Write them down. Make sure to note the vehicle make, model, year, mileage, and any recent changes like fuel type or maintenance. This information helps prioritize repairs and guides the next diagnostic steps, so don't skip documenting freeze-frame data and code descriptions. You now interpret the codes and inspect likely culprits. For emission or lean codes, check vacuum lines and intake for leaks. For misfires, inspect spark plugs, coils, and fuel delivery. Once done, clean the mass airflow sensor if dirty and test O2 sensor response with live data. Make sure to monitor short-term and long-term fuel trims, engine RPM, and coolant temperature while revving the engine. These readings reveal whether the problem is sensor, fuel, or mechanical. You complete repairs based on the diagnosis. Replace the failed sensor, gasket, or ignition part, tighten or replace the gas cap, or repair vacuum leaks. After repairs, clear codes and drive through varied conditions to run readiness monitors and confirm the light stays off. If the light returns, rescan and follow the new or persistent codes. Intermittent faults often require a smoke test for evap leaks or a wiring/connector inspection. Finally, make sure the repair restored correct live data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.